What's up guys, so today we are back with another video. As you can see in the title, today we have a super easy, a super simple skin, mid to high skin fade. I don't even need to say much in this intro. Super simple, super easy skin fade. But before we move on to the tutorial, if you are, bro, I'm busy. If you are new to the channel, most importantly, hit that like button. Most definitely hit the subscribe button. Most importantly, don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you are notified every time that there is a drop. Guys, it is your boy Enrico the Barber. Let's go ahead and let's jump straight into today's tutorial. So guys, let's go ahead, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. As you can see, today we are doing the skin fade. To be exact, we are doing a mid to high skin fade. So first off, we're starting off with our WAHL magic clip, no guard, lever closed. And as you can see, we are setting our first guideline just above our client's eyebrow. And we're gonna make sure that our guideline is even and consistent on both sides as well as the back. So guys, you'll notice with this first guideline over here, it started off very messy, but closer to the end I came back and I cleaned it up. And here, still using my WAHL magic clip, I'm just going ahead and I'm debulking. So now that we are debulking using our WAHL magic clip, we're just gonna come back with our WAHL detailers and we're just gonna clean up the bottom area over there. Make sure that we can build it out as close to the skin as we possibly can get it. So next off, what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna start off with no guard, lever open. And we're gonna set this guideline in at about 1/2 inch, and we're gonna make sure that this guideline is even and consistent right throughout both sides as well as the back. And it's good to just go over the same area a few times just to make sure that you do get it nice and even. Make sure that you get the lengths nice and even. And you'll notice in the back here, I do make the guideline a bit wider. Reason being is because of my client's head shape. I just want to make sure I get it nice. I want to make sure that I get the fade nice and straight, nice and even right throughout. So now we're building out our first initial guideline that we did set in. So all we're doing is we're adjusting our clipper lever back to our lever being closed entirely, and we are using a flick motion right throughout. And as you can see right there, we have our lever closed entirely. So now for the next step, we're going to go ahead and grab our number 1 guard, starting off with our lever open. As you can see, we're still using a flick motion. We're trying to not create a harsh guideline. That's the reason for us using a flick motion. And once you do feel comfortable, what you can go ahead and do is close your lever. And we can go over that same line consistently, still using our flick motion. We want to try and soften up that guideline as much as we can. So now with no guard, lever open, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're really going to use the corners of our blades here. We're going to make sure that we blend that guideline out over there. As you can see, and now just went ahead and did some detailing. And guys, we'll follow those exact same steps on this side as well as at the back. Today I just wanted to switch the tutorial up a bit. I wanted to try and edit differently. Or while when I recorded this cut, this is the kind of fading system that I use. Usually for my tutorials, you guys know I do every step by step right around the client's entire head. I don't do side by side and leave the back for last. So this is how I do cut when I'm at the shop, or well, when I'm not recording tutorials, let me rather say. So this is like one of my different fading methods. So you guys let me know in the comment section what you think about this specific fading method. For me, it really saves so much of time. So like I said, let me know in the comment section. And right here, it's simple. All we're doing is we have our number 2 guard on, and what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna make sure that we cut our client's hair. Well, he asked for number 2 at the top, so we're gonna make sure that we cut the top nice and even. We will be cutting in all directions to make sure that we get it as even as possible. And guys, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So next off, we have a 1.5 guard, and what we are doing is we're starting off with our lever open using a flick motion. And what we will do once we are comfortable is we'll go ahead and close our lever, and we'll make sure that we're gonna get that line, that harsh line over there. As you can see, it's already softened up. So now starting off, we're going back to our number 1 guard, starting off with our lever open. And once you feel comfortable, and once there's no more hair coming off, or you can't see any more hair coming off, what you can go ahead and do is you can adjust the lever, use the exact same flick motion, and as you can see right there, it softened that line up really nicely. You follow the exact same steps at the back as well as the other side. So next off, what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna grab our half guard, starting off with our lever open. What we're gonna go ahead and do is some detailing basically. And once you are comfortable and you notice there isn't any, well, you aren't getting rid of those inconsistencies, what you can go ahead and do is close your lever. And as you can see already, our fade is coming together really nicely, getting rid of all the dark spots and all of the inconsistencies. And like I said, guys, this is like one of my most favorite parts of a haircut because it does bring the entire cut to life. And as you can see on the left hand side over there, my client's hairline is a bit dense, so he did personally ask me to just raise his trim just a little bit. So we had to just lift his line up just a little bit just to match on the left hand side. But as you can see, I did try and keep it as natural as possible. So guys, like I said, for this section, I'm just gonna sit back and I'm gonna allow the lineup to bring the entire cut to life. But first, before I got interrupted earlier, like I said, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Most importantly, leave a like and definitely leave a comment and let me know what you think about the content. So next off, what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna apply some water to our client's forehead, and we're gonna come through with our straight razor. And sorry guys, my voice is a bit weird. I lost my voice over the weekend. That's also why I haven't recorded or put out the tutorial. It's because I was just delaying it, waiting for my voice to get better. So guys, this is Mr. Asif before we got the cut in, and this is Mr. Asif as soon as we're done with the cut. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Most importantly, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the content. And guys, it's your boy Enrico the Barber. Until the next video, peace.